In here that we haven't done yet.
Diablo!
So I thought it would be very cool tonight to bring up on stage to introduce this next piece. Please welcome very, very special guest, the lead designer of World of Warcraft and the head of all game design for Blizzard Entertainment, voted in Time Magazine as one of the most 100 influential people in the world. Can you believe this? Give it a round of applause for Rob Pardo! There we go. So now Rod, we worked together almost 20 years ago, was it? We worked together on a Mortal Kombat game before you were at Blizzard, but you've been at Blizzard how long now?
I've been at Blizzard now 14 years.
14 years, lead designer on World of Warcraft. And what are you working on now? What's the big focus?
Probably the biggest focus for me is Diablo 3. We're trying to get Diablo 3 done at the beginning of next year.
Beginning of next year, you heard it here first. They're tweeting now. Liar.
It'll be done when it's ready.
There you go. Better to have it done perfect than...
Duke Nukem forever!
So, and you guys just had your big BlizzCon event in Anaheim. Every year you guys have that.
Yeah, we just had BlizzCon last weekend in Anaheim, and it was super awesome. I think it was our best BlizzCon yet. We had major announcements for our franchise. We announced the new World of Warcraft expansion, Mists of Pandaria. So it's pretty awesome.
Very cool. And Rob, you're going to hang around after the show as well and go do the meet and greet with us, meet some of the folks out here?
Absolutely. I'll be here. I'll hang out.
Awesome. Very cool. Well, thank you so much, Rob. And enjoy the music to Diablo 3, conducted by the composer. give it up for Russell Brower. Fantastic. Amazing composer. Woo!